What's up guys, today we will talk about a new outdoor security camera called IMILAB EC3 Lite. Please do not confuse it with IMILAB EC3, which was released about 2 years ago. The new Lite version is the company's newest product, released in summer of 2023. You know, I will not compare IMILAB EC3 and EC3 Lite in this video, because I have only a Lite version right now. However, taking a quick look at the official website, I saw that the new camera is cheaper and also got 2 spotlights. The other key features are 3 megapixels sensor with 2K resolution, smart Siren, 3 night vision modes, built-in AI detection, all-weather protection, etc. Okay, let's do an unboxing. Take a look at the camera design as well as apps functions and video quality of the IMILAB EC3 Lite. By the way, you're watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel. You can subscribe so you don't miss new videos. The new security camera comes in this box. On the front we can see a picture telling us the camera works with IMILAB Home App. And there are also main features on the sides and some specs on the back of the box. When you open it, you will find the camera and the bracket. Then there is a user manual and a warranty card. The small box contains a power adapter and a wall mounting pack, and that's it. When it comes to the design of the new IMILAB camera, the first thing I noticed was the power cable. To start using the camera, you need to connect the power adapter to this cable and then to a power outlet. As you can see, the camera doesn't have a built-in battery. The IMILAB EC3 Lite comes with a removable bracket, so you can unscrew the camera from it at any time. The bracket also allows you to rotate the camera to almost any angle. The IMILAB EC3 Lite has 2 antennas for better wireless connection with your home router and smartphone. We can also see the speaker at the bottom. If you take a small screwdriver and remove the screws, you will see a reset button and a micro SD card slot. Finally, there is a microphone, lens, 2 spotlights, and indicator light on the front of the camera. Overall, the camera looks very nice. It reminds me of Eve from the animated film WALL-E, doesn't it? By the way, the dimensions of IMILAB EC3 Lite with a bracket are 86 by 93 by 165 mm. The weight of the camera is 185 grams. As I said before, this is an outdoor camera, so it has IP66 Weatherproof rating. It is not afraid of rain, snow or heat. Alright, now let's connect the new security camera and take a look at the app's functions. The application is called IMILAB Home, and it is available on Android and iOS devices. First, you need to create a new account. If you don't have it, then you will see a big button Add Device. Click it. Now make sure that your camera is powered on. The light indicator on the front of the camera will blink. It will also give voice prompts. Select IMILAB EC3 Lite outdoor camera in the list. I didn't find a QR code on the camera, so I chose no QR code. Add manually. Click Next and connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Now you need to connect to the Wi-Fi network of the camera. The network doesn't have a password. Return to the app and wait until the camera will be connected. That's it. In the app we can see live video from the camera. And then we can power it on/off. Choose video resolution from 480p and 2K, mute the sound, and enlarge the video. You can also click the Siren button. Take a snapshot. Start video recording and go to the cloud storage. And by the way, you can choose a cloud storage plan or just insert a memory card into the camera. The company says that the cloud storage has some benefits, such as 24/7 care, cloud storage, encrypted upload, and unlimited storage space. If you go back to the home screen, you will see another big button here. Click the button to talk, as the camera has microphone and speaker, so you can use it for two-way communication. There is also a settings menu in the app. The camera settings include status light, flow protection, sleep, image settings, and the night vision settings. In the image settings, we can rotate image, add watermark to the video, and enable wide dynamic range mode. IMILAB EC3 Lite security camera has 3 night vision modes, such as black and white night vision, color night vision, and intelligent night vision. I think it is better to use an intelligent mode. The camera also has a home monitoring events such as motion detection, human detection, activity zone detection, border crossing detection. You can also select the alert sensitivity, high or low, and change the interval of push notifications. The general settings are device name, network info, shared devices, check for updates, and help. You know the app works very well. I don't have any problems with connecting and using certain functions. By the way, notifications about human detection come very quickly. Now I want to show you some videos, so you can appreciate the image quality. IMILAB EC3 Lite security camera has a 3 megapixels sensor and 2K resolution. As I said before, the new light version of the camera differs from its predecessor by having 2 spotlights, so you can see the color picture at night. However, if you don't want the spotlights to be on, you can select the black and white night vision mode. I think IMILAB EC3 Lite has a very good video quality thanks to the spotlights. You can use a full color night vision mode. You know the spotlights and Siren can also frighten an uninvited guest. The camera has many different detection modes, two-way communication, memory card, and cloud storage. Perhaps the only drawback of this security camera is the lack of the built-in battery. You will need to think about how to plug it into the outlet. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!